I'm Ken McLean, thanks for listening. I've been asked to talk a little bit about the principle of whole foods and why it's important to reduce refined things and even supplements. I mean, it's okay to take supplements and things to support our journey back to a more balanced approach to bring out our health. But there's several areas that if we have refined things or supplements in a pill form that can affect our body adversely. For example, the body is a whole organism. The word organic is related to the whole movement of all the organs in our body working together harmoniously. That's a whole system. So we have the word whole foods, holistic, organic. So when we when we eat something, all the organs go into production. Once something goes onto our tongue, the saliva is activated, which is a very important digestive juice, beta healing juice, that then activates the following processes and juices that the organs create. So when we take something that dissolves on our tongue, it disappears quickly into our bloodstream, into our body, leaving the manufacture of the enzymes and juices, digestive juices of the other organs, stomach, liver, gallbladder, etc., spleen, pancreas, with this residue, with nothing to do. So that in itself then can create an adverse effect on the digestive process and the organs themselves. The other thing, the body is this whole structure, and it likes things in a whole form. So traditionally, the understanding of how to eat, how to cut vegetables a certain way so that we get both the nutrients in the leaf of that vegetable and the root aspect, you know, that we have a whole meal with a variety of nutrients, means that our body absorbs it as a whole. When we take refined food, white bread or a supplement too often, then to make it a complete food, it draws from the body's reserves of the nutrient that food's not supplying. So on one level we're getting a hit, more energy of that particular nutrient. Then when it starts to drain the reserves to make it a complete food, we get a drop. So in fact it contributes to a more extreme movement of up and down, or energy and release. That's the second point. The third point is that, particularly around pills, and sometimes we may need to use pills. You know, we're not negating that. Sometimes we may need to use supplements. What I'm talking about here is eventually using them support to get to a place where we can take them from natural foods and whole foods. Then our body responds far more positively and far more calmly. Because one of the things is a concentrated, when a pill is processed, there's a concentrated process that it goes through, so that when we take it and it's absorbed into our bloodstream quickly, it does create a stimulating effect to the nervous system. So the more one relies on that, the more we get our nervous system activated. So there's three areas: overstimulation of the nervous system, drainage of body's reserves, and then overactivation of digestive juices that have nothing to do but then create internal problems. For a while we can support that process, but eventually we need to look at how to get everything through food itself. Food is the divine medicine for the body. It's what the body absorbs and loves to create from new blood, new energy, and great health. Thank you.